Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to operate a cooking range and also a simple cupcake recipe which you can make to make the perfect cupcakes. This cupcake recipe gives you perfect cupcakes, be it with or without oven. To make this cupcake recipe you have to weigh the ingredients using a kitchen weighing scale. First you weigh the eggs with shell. Once you weigh the eggs, the brown sugar or white sugar, butter and all-purpose flour all should be as the same weight as the eggs. Into a bowl, add your eggs, sugar and butter. The butter should be at room temperature and mix well. Once well combined, add the flour, a few drops of vanilla essence and 25 ml of milk and mix to form a batter. A little more milk can be added to get a smooth batter. So our batter is ready. Grease the cupcake tray with butter and add the cake batter into it. Do not overfill it. So this is the cooking range. It has 3 knobs. So the first knob is the temperature knob. If you turn the knob this way, the top segment of the oven lights up, as you can see. And you turn the knob to the other side, the bottom segment of the oven lights up. So here I'm bringing it back to normal. The next knob is for the light. So when I turn it this way, it lights up, and when I turn it to the other side, it lights up along with the fan. Lights help you to see the food cooking inside without having to open the door of the oven. So I bring it back to normal. And this is the timer knob. This is to set the timing of your baking. Bringing this knob back to normal. So these are the 3 knobs on my gas oven. To bake my cupcakes, I open my oven, place my cupcakes inside. Switch on the light with fan. The fan distributes the heat evenly within the oven. The temperature knob to 180 degrees Celsius. So you can see the lower burner is switched on. To bake the cupcakes, we need heat from the bottom. And I set the timer to around 20 minutes. So these cupcakes take 20 to 30 minutes to be fully baked. You can see the baking process from outside and you will know when the cupcakes are baked. Around 20 minutes you can check them if they are baked or no by inserting a fork or toothpick, and if not, you can bake them further for another 5 to 10 minutes. Now around 25 minutes I am inserting a fork and the fork comes out clean, so I know my cupcakes are baked. I turn off all the knobs, remove my cupcakes out of the oven and allow them to cool down, and you can see they are perfectly baked. So here are my baked cupcakes. You can see they are perfectly baked and soft too. These cupcakes turn out delicious and I recommend you try them. The recipe will be in the description box too. If you're not very confident to use the cooking range by yourself, you can always ask assistance from someone who already knows to use it, or you can even bake these cupcakes on the gas without oven. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.